Welcome back to the Map for College learning community. My name is Ernest Manelli, founder of My Action Plan for College, and we have an insight regarding test preparation when it comes to certain math problems. So on standardized tests, sometimes you will get math problems where the answer choices are entirely numerical. There are no variables involved, just numbers. When that is the case, typically those numbers of those answer choices will progress in order. What I mean by that is usually they would progress in order from the smallest answer choice numerically would typically be the first answer choice offered, and then the largest numeric answer choice would be the last answer choice offered. So in many cases, it would go progress-wise from smallest to greatest. There are some instances, maybe with decimals, with fractions, in which the numbers go from greatest to smallest. But in general, when you're dealing with numbers only, no variables, just numbers on the answer choices, within the framework of a standardized test question in math, the numbers progress in order. So therefore, you could take a middle answer choice. If you are taking the ACT has 5 answer options per question. So you would simply take the middle answer choice. On the SAT, there are 4 answer options for the multiple choice questions. So you would take either B or C in that case. So by taking a middle answer choice and plugging in the number to the equation, to the framework of the question, to see what kind of answer you generate and if it hits your target answer. Now, if you pick the middle answer choice numerically and you hit your target answer right on the dot, then you just saved yourself a boatload of time. However, even if you don't get the exact pinpoint answer that you need based on utilizing that middle answer choice, you will at least gain information and insight that will help to streamline the process. What do I mean by that? Let's take answer choices that are progressing from 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So let's say we have answer choices that are basically counting by fives. If we take the middle answer choice of 15 and we plug it in, if 15 is too small, well then 5 and 10 are going to be too small as well. And we would simply need to look at choices 20 and 25 to see which one of those answer choices would fit. Now let's flip the dynamic. Let's say we have the same numeric answer choices, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. But let's say 15 as the middle answer choice is too big. Well, if 15 is too big, then options 20 and 25 numerically would also be too big. So we'd have to look more closely at the first 2 answer options of 5 and 10. And I know that I'm providing very simple, straightforward numbers, but you really can practice this strategy on standardized tests to the point where you can start with the middle answer choice, provided the answer choices are numerical in nature. And by starting with a middle answer choice, you save yourself a little bit of time because you start to compare answers to each other. And that allows you to leverage your time progression a little bit better, allows you to reduce your test anxiety, and it allows you to get to the correct answer more quickly. So once again, starting with a middle answer choice mathematically on certain standardized test questions in math can help you to streamline the problem-solving process for your success as a student. So once again, please feel free to like this video, subscribe to our growing YouTube channel, and we have more wonderful educational content to come. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.